Model, 2007 Ford Transit 115 T350m Rwd Dropside Flatbed Tipper Genuine Low Mileage. Body, white, tipper. Mileage, 79,000. MOT, the 8th of December 2025. Engine, 2401 cc TDCI 115 PS DURATORQ-G. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well through all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been